Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos Rp's video capabilities by mastering frame rate adjustments for every creative vision. First, power on your Canon Eos Rp. Navigate to the main menu, which you can usually access by pressing the menu button once in the menu. Use the directional buttons to find the movie shooting menu, typically represented by a movie camera icon. Select it. Within the movie shooting menu, scroll down until you find the frame rate option. Select this to view the available frame rate choices. Here you'll see a list of frame rates like 2,398 frames per second, often referred to as cinematic to 4 fps, ideal for the classic film look. You'll also find to 5 fps for POW regions, to 997 fps for NTSC, and higher rates like 50 fps and 599 for FPS. Choosing the right frame rate significantly impacts your video's motion portrayal. Higher frame rates like 50 or 60 fps capture more information per second, resulting in incredibly smooth motion. This is perfect for capturing fast action or for creating impactful slow motion effects when played back at a lower frame rate. To achieve slow motion, simply record at a higher frame rate, say 60 fps, and then set your editing software's playback timeline to a lower frame rate like to 4 fps. This will automatically slow down your footage. For standard everyday recording, a cinematic feel, or when you're not planning on slowing anything down, to 398 fps or to 997 fps are excellent choices. Consider your project's intended viewing platform and desired aesthetic when making your selection. Experiment with different frame rates to discover what best suits your creative needs and elevate your video storytelling on the Canon Eos Rp.